System errors causing the wintab32.dll crashes in Wacom Tablet Driver. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before starting the detailed wintab32 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the wintab32, the Digitizer Tablet library. It provides the unmanaged interface between graphics tablets, e.g., Wacom, and localized software, facilitating the pressure-sensitive input manifest. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. wintab32 is required by Wacom Tablet Driver to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Wacom Tablet Driver ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered wintab32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the Application Setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for wintab32.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing wintab32. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got wintab32 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.